be doing a little bit of testing on an F16 conventional fire alarm system by Pertronic. The alarm system, currently located in an office. We'll be testing it today. Troll evacuation. With a little bit of an explore, I hope, of the system sounding. This system uses old system sensor detectors, and it also uses modern ones as well. It also uses red horns and Pertronic heats. The system also uses FiRETROnix core points. Not Pertronic, but these are the old models with newer snap glaze. And though it says Pertronic, it also says FiRETROnix. And because the sun is here, they've been yellowed out a little bit. So yeah, let's get the test started. 3, 2, 1.
Evacuate the building using the nearest fire exit. Evacuate the building using the nearest fire exit.